Hey everyone, it's Liam Mulcahy here with the SAT Initiative. We're looking at tables part 2, line of best fit. Basically, what we're going to do now is we're going to take what we did earlier a step further, where we're going to actually use that line of best fit to predict values. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. There's a couple tricky steps, so pay attention closely. So first we're going to press Stat and then press Enter to select Edit. And basically we're going to enter all of our data just as we see it. So you do that by pressing the number and then pressing enter and going down and then going over, and you just enter just as you see it in a table. It can be tricky if you have ordered pairs, because then you're going to want to rewrite it in a table form, and your teacher can show you how to do that. Not too difficult. Made a little typo there. Okay, now almost done typing in the data, and still almost done. Okay, now we're going to go Stat, and then we're going to go over to Calc, and then we're going to go down to 4, to LenReg. And then we're going to go down to Store Regression Equation, and then we're going to press vars, yvars, and hit function. Now I'm going to pause it right there and we'll review that one. So we're going to want to go down to LenReg, as you remember, look in the screen down here, and then we go to Store Regression Equation. Now we're going to press vars, and then we're going to go over to yvars and then press enter. Pretty straightforward. So over to yvars, press enter, and then enter again, and that enters a y1 in there. Now we're good to go. Alright, so now we've stored our regression equation in, so we're going to want to go back to our home screen. You can do that by pressing on and then on and off. And what you're going to do is you're going to get that y1 just like we got before, put parentheses and put the number that you want. And in this case we want 91, or we want 8, and we get back 91. So that's how many complaints they should expect. At week 8, we plugged in the 8. And the most important step here is remembering how to get to y1, and you do that right here. So we'll pause it. So right down there, over to yvars, press enter, and then y1 appears. Alright? Hopefully that's pretty helpful, and the rest of it is pretty straightforward. Sorry this video was so long, but this could be a little bit tricky, and I wanted to make sure that you mastered it. Alright, that's all I got. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.